Well, hello and welcome to the studio. I don't know whether you can hear the blustery weather. I had intended today, I had put it on my planning sheet, to do a beginning of November garden tour. But it is so wet that I'm going to abandon that. I think it's a day for mainly drinking tea, putting the fire on, but possibly for the first half hour or so of the day while the studio warms up, I'll go around in my fully waterproofed outfit and do a little appreciation of the rain. Put some cheery music on. Let's just do a boppy homage to the wonders of water. First tea though.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love